Hello everyone. So the major question is the worst over? तो मतलब is the correction over? So that is the main question that is everyone is asking, and can we see a rally? So that's what we are going to answer according to the data points. Coming down to yesterday's analysis, in yesterday's analysis, I clearly mentioned that since according to the data points of fresh put writing हुआ था और बैंक निफ्टी was looking weak, okay, I clearly mentioned, and ये जो fresh put writing हुआ था, so that was majorly in Nifty. And so finally what we could have seen was, like I told, that since it's monthly expiry there will be moves, but finally it will end in somewhere in the middle, okay, because it will give up move and down move, and finally it will end somewhere in the middle. I clearly mentioned this, जाके देख लीजिए अगर if you don't believe so. Okay, now talking about Nifty, like as you can see, it came down first and then went up and closed in almost in the middle. Talking about Bank Nifty also, it came down and then finally gave a sharp up move and almost closed in the middle, or almost near about the top. But yes, so both the sides move we saw, and so I said that like the thing would ultimately consolidate, but both it will give both the side moves. Now talking about our trades today. So in the morning we took here, that is 21,400 P, bought at 54 and closed it at 83, giving a 53% return. But I mean score was decreasing, and also like while I closed this and I posted it on Twitter, I also mentioned it here, that is the score is decreasing for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is at 10:01 a.m. guys. Even after this, Nifty fell more than 80 points and Bank Nifty fell almost 250 to 300 points 10 बजे के बाद से. Anyways, I also shared the live updates of our indicators today, and as you all know, like so you got the live, you got to see the live scores getting updated. And now talking about the further on the charts, like Nifty came down, and until unless this to 21,238, this level is getting taken down. So we won't be like going further down. So the question is, will this level be taken down? Now talking about on the charts, if you can see, like it got resistance from one of our level 21,498, came down to next level, that is 21,238. Okay, and here I closed my previously, which I was carrying forward the put buying positions in the next series, I mean the first wave series. So 21,400 C, so not 21,400 P, this one closed it at 250. I bought it at 119 here, so 119 on 19 January, and closed it today at 250. I could have closed it more if I would have closed it 2 days before, but anyways, no regret. Yesterday I closed the Bank Nifty at 700, which I bought it at 186. Okay, so now this one, the average price was 124. Today closed it at 200. And also 21,400 C we wrote at in the morning. I did writing at that at 52, and since the score was decreasing, even I told you that, and it's expired worthless. Now talking about the final jump, as you I mean saw live, the indicators, the AI predicted it, like there was a gap created, and as you can see, like here 2:30 के आसपास, मतलब Nifty was going down, though the score was holding up, and finally the spot jumped to close the gap. And talking about in Bank Nifty as well, even here, that is I mean it started all like in the second half the score was going up, even you can see the here the score was going up, but Bank Nifty was going down, then it tried to go up and again consolidated and finally close the gap. So now talking about the other data points, yeah, if my analysis are helping you, so don't forget to put a like. And also here talking about Bank Nifty, as you saw, like exactly in the morning it got resistance from our level 45,095, and it came down and took support at one of our major levels near about 44,400. Okay, so these levels work wonderfully, and even in the middle also here it consolidated for a long time, 44,630 to 44,607. Now talking about HDFC, here some big guys tried to, I think the DIIs, some mutual funds tried to buy here. So as you can see here, even like I tried to see where the buying was happening in the banking sector in the last 30 minutes. And yeah, so and some buying was also seen in Nifty as well. Now, does that say that the worst is over? Still not. Like, we have to see what the FIIs are up to in their options positions. And yeah, now talking about the other data points, FIs again have sold for today and DIs have bought. And yeah, now let's go to the EOD data. So the EOD data is like suggesting that the I mean the worst is not yet over, because as you can see, like, huge short covering can be seen in the futures long positions, and now FIs are dominating fully in the future short positions. While there is a conflict between the FIs and the prop decks, they have closed their futures short positions and initiated some futures long positions. So prop decks are dominating in the long side in the futures, while FIs are dominating in the short side of the futures. Talking about the overall data this January month, so while it ends today, so this is what the final update is. That is, the FIs are carrying forward their put buying positions, and as you can see here, and the prop decks are the FIIs are carrying forward their put buying positions and call writing positions, so they are bearish in the options. And talking about prop decks, so prop decks, they have closed their put writing positions and buying, but they are carrying forward their call writing position. So that's the overall update. Like, prop decks and FIs, they are both bearish in the options, but FIIs are more bearish in the options, and they are also hugely bearish in the futures. So looking at the FIIs perspective, their point of view, their data points, I think, like, they are thinking that they know something, that is the worst is not yet over. And from the prop decks perspective, they think that somewhere soon we can find the bottom and we can reverse, because they are making longs. They have built up a huge long position in the futures, and but while again they have done some call writing in the option chain. But again, we should not consider that, because some fresh position can develop from this side, and that will be more important. But yeah, so prop decks are like slightly bullish, we can say. अगर futures और options दोनों को मिला लेते हैं, so prop decks are heavily bearish in the futures, and heavily bullish in the futures prop decks, and slightly bearish in the option chain. So दोनों को मिला के हम लोग ये बोल सकते हैं कि prop decks are slightly bullish overall, and FIIs heavily bearish in the futures, heavily bearish in the option chain. So options, so दोनों को मिला के हम बोल सकते हैं कि FIIs are heavily bearish. Okay, so that's the analysis. And if you want such live analysis during the live market hours, so you can be a part of the derivatives indicator group. And if you want access to this indicator, so like, with the help of AI, we are trying to predict the market, and and it's doing a wonderful job. And not only that, like, I have shared it even today. So matlab, monthly expiries are usually considered as the very volatile day, and even on such a day I showed you that how nicely it works, so that you don't have any doubt. Because people who don't get access to this, they think that later on I can change the scores manually and show that yeah, it's working. But yes, you saw it live working, and that puts more faith in the system. And yeah, there is also this Republic Day offer, so if you want to opt for it, so I think it's better to go for the Republic sale offer. So and take the benefit of it. And yeah, let's crack the market with the help of the AI. And yeah, if you opt for the offer, your membership is going to start from the next trading day, that is from Monday onwards. Tomorrow we have a holiday. And yeah, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one.